By 2032, the U.S. battery backup power protection market is expected to surpass $20 billion, with a compound annual growth rate of 6.7%. Along with this increased demand for power protection comes the need for enhanced power monitoring. For this session, we're joined by Tim Derochie from CyberPower to tell us about a recent power protection installation. CyberPower partnered with channel reseller SHI to deliver a custom power protection hardware and power monitoring software solution to a national dental services provider. Welcome, Tim.
Hi, Kenna, and thanks for having me. As you mentioned, my name is Tim Derochie, and I'm the Director of Applications Engineering at CyberPower. CyberPower has gained a reputation for listening to our customers' needs when developing our hardware. We also use that same approach for our software development. Our business model is based on listening to each account's needs and designing the right power solution for their business, both now and in the future, and even developing a new solution to solve a problem not being addressed in the market. Back in 2022, one of our reseller partners, SHI, reached out to CyberPower to provide them with a power protection solution for one of their biggest clients, a dental provider with over 1,000 locations nationwide. After working with the partner and the customer, it was determined they needed a UPS with a cloud-based monitoring software. Additionally, it was clear this solution needed to be easy to install and set up in over 1,000 locations, so each site could focus on their patients instead of IT issues. We determined that CyberPower's CP1500 PFC-LCD with a cloud card installed was the best solution for the customer. It had sine wave power, a capacity of 1,500 volt amperes, a color LCD for easy on-site setup and control, and a small footprint, so it was the perfect fit. With the cloud card installed, the UPS worked seamlessly with the power monitoring software PowerPanel Cloud. It had most of the features the customer was looking for, such as a cloud accessibility and an easy-to-use dashboard. But they also desired to have single sign-on, an advanced hierarchy, multi-level permissions, and a flexible licensing model beyond 200 nodes. So we got down to business. My team collaborated with SHI to understand their wish lists for building out the current version of PowerPanel Cloud to better meet their customers' needs. CyberPower saw this as an opportunity to not only address the needs of our partner and their customer, but create a new product with features that were in demand from other customers. PowerPanel Cloud Pro was created from working with our customers to develop a product that checks all the must-have features they needed. It pay-as-you-go licensing that could be paid monthly or prepaid, depending on your partner. This means customers only pay for the nodes being used with no yearly contracts. This flexibility in licensing also allows them to add or remove nodes as needed at any time, up to 10,000 nodes. Single sign-on was added for streamlined and secure sign-ons using Azure. An advanced hierarchy was developed to allow the customer to set up UPSs in groups by client, segment, or location. Finally, enhancements were made to the administrator and user rights to allow multiple admins or users to be set up with their own logins. This feature was ideal with managed service providers who can oversee multiple layers of customers. We worked closely with SHI to establish the features and rigorously tested the software during a soft launch to ensure its ease of use and reliability before it was officially launched in 2025. With both the hardware and software solution figured out, CyberPower was there every step of the way with training, troubleshooting, and tech support. With the UPS and monitoring software up and running, we started to roll out the UPS systems to the customers' locations nationwide.
Now that's problem solving through partnership. As a leader in power protection, it's clear that CyberPower is your ultimate ally in power. Thank you to SHI and our guest, Tim Derochie from CyberPower. For the Channel Company, I'm Kenna Johnson.